In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your render from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. So first thing we want to do is open up both Kraken and Ledger Live. So I have Kraken on the left side, Ledger Live on the right side. I'm gonna look for render. I'm gonna click withdraw, type the name, and it's showing me that it's running on the Solana network, which means that I have to go under accounts and click on Solana and add token. Look for render here just to make sure that it's supported. Yes, it is. So I'm going to click on it. Continue. It's telling me to open the Solana app, so I'm pressing both buttons to open it. It's showing me the address, and the address matches both in Ledger Live and on the Ledger hardware. So I'm going to paste it in Kraken. And then as an address nickname, I'll call it Ledger render, and it's running on the Solana network. Add withdrawal address, continue. Now I have to approve the email. Here we go. Approve. It's approved. Okay, so I'm gonna press on the purple amount because I want to send all of it. Click review and confirm. So that's done. And on the right side, I'm just gonna see what my ledger is saying. Approve. So I can close this application window here. All right, so the render token was successfully received, as you can see here. Now it's time to send it back to the exchange. So I'm gonna click on the exchange, click on portfolio, which the exchange is Kraken. Deposit, type render, copy the address, and it's showing me that the network is Solana. So this is a good confirmation that it's the right network. I'm gonna click on render, click send, paste the address. It's asking me for a tag or a memo, but I don't have any tags or memo here. That's usually for XRP and other coins and tokens. Continue. So I'm gonna click on don't add tag. I want to send the full amount, so I'm gonna click on send max. And if you notice here, it's using Solana as network fees or gas fees. So always make sure that you have the parent coin in your wallets before sending the tokens out. And always send the tokens out before the parent coin or the parent network. Click continue. Continue again. And now we're going to confirm everything on the Ledger device. Okay, so it says transfer yes to. Perfect. So it's FXI9. It matches. And now I'm going to approve by pressing both buttons. Click done here. And if I go to activity and refresh under Kraken, I should see the transaction coming in. Here we go. Deposited render pending. It's going to take a couple of seconds or minutes, and then the transaction will clear. So please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.